And today is a beautiful day. Sun's out. It's not too hot, not too cold. There's a nice breeze blowing. And I'm thinking to myself, what do I need to make for you guys today? And I thought about what I have currently in my cupboard, in my freezer, and everywhere. Like what can I do without going to the store? And it turns out I got sweet potatoes. So let's make a sweet potato pie, because it's almost Thanksgiving. You're gonna need something to wow all your guests. So let's do it. Today on
Cooking with Mark.
Let's go. All right, here are your ingredients. There's a lot of them. 2 cups of mashed sweet potatoes. It don't matter who mashed them. Half a cup, that's 1 stick of unsalted butter, softened. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup brown sugar. Half a cup of evaporated milk. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. And 1 9-inch unbaked pie crust. It can be homemade, store-bought, don't matter. In a large bowl, combine the mashed sweet potatoes and butter. And blend until smooth. Once all that's incorporated, add the sugars, milk, eggs, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. And mix until everything is all creamy. Then all you do is pour it into your unbaked pie crust and smooth out the top with a spatula. Now I put mine on an additional baking sheet just in case I made a mess, and then I'll put it in the oven for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, I pulled it out of the oven, and now we let it rest. Okay, so what you want to do when you pull this out of the oven is you want to let it sit for 2 hours. 2. Don't touch it. You don't touch it, your kids don't touch it, and your patience will be rewarded. I cannot wait. So here we have, it took us an hour to bake and another 2 hours to rest. And let's try it and see how it is, because I've never tried this before. It's first time recipe. You guys are getting exclusives here. Come here, children.
Oh, wait. Come on, child. Come on, Father.
No, get up. All right, so this thing, it was a banger. It was delicious. I even impressed myself with this. So, yeah, make it for Thanksgiving. You will not be sorry. Thank you for tuning in to
Cooking with Mark.
And if there's anything you want me to cook, leave it in the comments below. All right? See y'all next time. I mean, like, everything slaps about it. I didn't know how it was going to turn out. But like the crust is good. I mean, it's just a store-bought crust, but the crust is good. The filling is incredible. Like, I don't know, man. Like, this is the best sweet potato pie I've ever had.